open our browser to use an online version. You can install desktop version as well. If you want, you can download desktop version for Mac or Windows. Any platform is available. So I will use Scratch web version. I will type here in Google search Scratch. So you will find the search result. It will show first in the list. So now you can click the link here. Here we can have so many menus. If you want to open a new account in Scratch, you can click here join Scratch and you can open a new account, but you must have an email account. You can use your own email account, or you can use your parents' email account. It doesn't matter, but you must have the email address. If you have email address, you can sign in. What's the benefit if we have an account? When you are creating a project, it will save automatically, and also you can open anywhere in the world your project is available. So this is the benefit for this account opening. If you don't want to open an account, you can use the online platform create. Here I'm using without open an account here. So I will introduce here some key features. Here you can find some options, some buttons, different coding. Here there are many colors option as well. When you click one by one, you will find different types of coding blocks, and also you can find some menu option here. It will navigate something different. When you click settings, you will find two options, language and color mode. If you want any language, you can choose these options. I will choose English. And also you have two color mode options. If you have interested this contrast, you can choose this. I will use original. And also when I click file options, I will have three options. New, you can get new file by clicking new. Load from your computer. If you have already Scratch project, you can load it from your own computer, and save to your computer option will save your project, what you are doing. You can download to your local computer this file. After downloading, you can load it from here. And also edit option, you can turn on turbo mode. If you want turbo mode, you can use this. And tutorials, if you click this, you will find so many tutorials. So I will introduce about the characters we call sprites. Here already by default they have given one sprite. If you don't want this sprite, you can just click this delete button. Here you will find the bin. I will click yes, it will be deleted. I will take new sprites by clicking this option. There are two buttons, choose sprite and choose backdrops. First we will click choose sprite. Here you can find so many sprite options and characters. You can choose, depends on your project, and you have many buttons here. It shows categories, fantasy, dance, music, sports. When you click on these buttons, you can be easily find. And also we have search. If you search anything, you will find here. So first I will choose one sprite here. I got the sprite. By clicking and dragging this, you can move the sprites anywhere, wherever you want. You can click. So now we have one sprite. If you want more sprites, you can choose more sprites. If you want this, you can choose this. So we will choose this one. Okay, I have two sprites. When you click these sprites, you can notice there is a highlighting frame here. It's appearing. When you click these sprites, it will be selected. That means it's selecting, right? Now you have chosen this one, right? Here you have some options. By clicking this, if you want to hide or invisible, make invisible, you can just clicking this, the sprite will be hidden. And here you can change the size. Defaultly it's 100. If I write 200, click this, you will get bigger size. If you want to make small, you can type. You can make it small. And also you have direction here. These all angles 90 degrees. So if you increase the degrees, you can rotate like this. So you can change the direction using this button, and X and Y option here you can find. This means X means x-axis from here to here. Y means here to here. These are called coordinates, X and Y coordinates. Now I'm going to choose a background. You have so many backgrounds. I will choose one background from this list. Here also some buttons: fantasy, music, sports. I will choose blue. Okay, so now I have backdrop, that means background, and two sprites. So now I have created two characters in the background, and also we have additional features: costumes, sounds. Costumes, you have so many tools. Here we will make our sprite attractive, and we can customize our sprites. Sound, you can change the sound, edit. So we will learn this in our next tutorial. So today we have learned how to open Scratch page, and also how to add characters, how to delete characters, and how to add backdrops. So we will learn costume, how to change the costume of the characters in next video tutorial.